Just for instance, imagine that you are playing a wonderful game, and by playing this game you can earn tokens in that game, and also you can improve gaming character's ability, and after that you can sell those tokens and that character that you improved by playing games, and after selling them you can earn money, and that money you can transfer in your real bank account. Yes, this is possible, this can happen. Maybe now it seems like impossible to you, but we can do these things with blockchain technology. We can create amazing games with all these features and even with more features. Now in these upcoming 5 minutes you will just not only understand but also you will feel that how we can improve the entire gaming industry using blockchain technology. So friends, please like, subscribe and put the video in full screen and high speed for better experience. So basically by using blockchain technology we can create NFTs and ERC20 tokens, and then by using them we can improve the gaming experience, because by using them our game becomes more transparent, secure and decentralized, and also it will add much more utility to our game. So now let I explain you in detail that how we can use NFTs and ERC20 tokens in every game. Now imagine that you are playing a game and you are playing it really well. So you have raised your character's ability very much, and also you have added many more features to it, and also you have earned many game tokens in that game. But now here problem is that these games are highly centralized, where game developers control all the assets and currencies in that game, and also these assets and the game currency have no value beyond the game. Just think about it, that you are playing that game from bottom your heart, and that character and the money have no real use in real world, and also you does not have any control over them outside the game. But using blockchain technology we can improve the entire gaming experience pretty much. We can connect NFTs in gaming characters and with their abilities, so that when someone owns that character and gain their abilities on that game, then users have full control over the ownership of those assets. It will provide many more real life utilities to that user from that gaming character, because if the gaming character is a NFT, then we can sell it or buy it in real world, and also you have complete control, complete ownership of that assets by using NFT. In the similar way we can connect NFTs with every place in that game and also with every weapon, so that we can add utilities in them also. We can use ERC20 token or cryptocurrency as the gaming token, so that you will also able to sell that gaming token which you will earn by playing the game, and after selling them you can send the real money to your real bank. So basically by using blockchain technology we can create real world play to earn games. So in blockchain based games players can earn reward like crypto, weapon, avatar, skin, coin, etc., and they get full ownership of these assets. These assets have value beyond the preview of game, and players can make money for their gaming skills, so that gamers can play these games and make their consistent source of income from them. By offering ownership of in-game assets, reward and income generation possibilities and social interactions, gaming platforms can leapfrog many challenges and can create great gaming ecosystem and economy in the future. Except this blockchain will provide more security and transparency in every game, because as we know that blockchain is a secure, transparent and a immutable technology, so it will make all games more secure and transparent. So by this way it will improve the entire gaming experience. Blockchain can really help in improving the overall user experience by providing a more efficient, secure and a transparent way to engage in digital transactions and access virtual assets.